Nature is a powerful pathway to enjoying greater wellness. Spending time in nature reduces anxiety and depression, improves concentration and memory, supports our immune system. It's known to lower cortisol levels associated with stress and release neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which elevate mood, helping us feel good. And people with access to green space tend to be healthier and live longer. All of this is backed by scientific research, but much of it we know instinctively or intuitively. It's no coincidence that nature helps us enjoy a healthier, happier life. We're part of it. As a species, it's only been in the last 75 to 100 years that we've really gotten disconnected from our natural habitat. And a lot of this is due to technology, the changing nature of our work, moving into the cities. With our busy lives, it can be a challenge to have that much needed nature time. So what can we do? Well, one thing perhaps is to set aside the time, really make the time to visit your local park. Simply having trees around, viewing greenery, watching the squirrels can do a lot for lowering stress and increasing those feelings of well-being. Or maybe heading out for a weekend camping trip or joining a local hiking group. In addition to being one of the most reliable and effective boosts to our physical, mental, and emotional health, nature feeds a deeper part of us. As we watch a beautiful sunset or breathe in that incredible smell of damp earth after a rain, or come across an amazing tree on a walk in the woods like this one. This amazing redwood. Or as we listen to the ravens in the background. Let's go inside the tree. Or simply have a few moments of quiet away from the sound of traffic and everyday life. All of these experiences help us connect with who we are at the core. It's often here in nature that we remember what's most important. And you might find yourself feeling drawn to spending even more time in nature. Well, follow your intuitive wisdom. We are intrinsically connected with the planet. Nature is an essential aspect of our wellness. It's healing on many different levels. Step outside and enjoy the benefits for yourself.